Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and we're going to talk about the CPI of GDP. That's we're going to look at GBPUSD, the CPI reaction on Wednesday at 8. Let's see what happened, because you can see the results were negative for all three news releases. You can see 4-year previous was 4.1, consensus was 4, so you can see CPI was minus 0.6 compared to 0.3 forecast, and also all the news was negative. Let's see what happened in GBPUSD. So this is the news candle. You can see at 8 p.m. This is here at 8 p.m. I think this is here. Yeah, there. This is the 8 p.m. news here. You can see at 8 p.m. because the news was negative, that's the GDP was negative and the PPI was negative, and also the other GDP was negative. Price dropped all the way to this particular area. Let me just show you guys here clearly. So the first 5 minutes candle was bearish. You can see it dropped about 42 pips to the bearish direction. That's the first 5 minutes candle. It was all the way bearish to this particular area. Then we can see that it also dropped to this area. You can clearly see over here. You can see, so I will say for the 7 pips, because the next 5 minutes candle was also bearish before it started pulling back up. Because the news was bearish, what happens after the first candle is bearish, the second candle will pull back and go back to the bearish direction. So that means that if you miss the first 5 minutes candle, you can still wait for a pullback. As long as you know that the news is bearish, you can now wait and see a reversal in the 1 minute time frame. When you see a reversal in the 1 minute time frame, you can go in for a sell. You can see that for those who sold here, when price dropped to this particular area, they can still make profits. And because it happened 2 times, because this is the first one, price dropped to this area, it went back up again, it could not break this previous area, to tell you that the market is still in a bearish. It means that the news is still reacting. So price now dropped again all the way to this area, all the way to, you can see this is actually the London open. Price still became bearish. So I would say the news reacted from this area all the way to 10. So you can see it was about 69 pips, or let's say 65 pips bearish. Okay, 68 pips bearish. That's what happened during the news candle. So let's say all the way to 10 p.m. it was still bearish because of what happened with the news candle. So that's the reaction of the news. The first 5 minutes candle was bearish. Second candle, we had a pullback, it formed a resistance, it dropped down again. The bulls came in again to push price up. Still yet, because of the news candle, price now became fully bearish and dropped price all the way to this particular area. Obviously GBPUSD moves in a series of lower lows, lower highs, so it will not just move bearish like gold, but it will move in a series of lower low, lower high. So that's the impact of GDP being negative on a day like Wednesday. So this is here CPI, CPI instead. So the negative CPI caused price to move all the way 60 pips in the bearish direction. So that's the impact of the CPI, negative CPI, on GBPUSD. So with that said, thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Bye.